Today we're going to make a case for glasses. We need 2 pieces of fabric, both 7 inches by 7 inches, the outside piece, the lining piece. We also need some type of interfacing. I'm using a fusible interfacing. It's going to be cut at 6.5 by 6.5. You could also use some other heavyweight interfacing would work. Our first step will be to iron the interfacing to the lining fabric. I have my lining fabric. I'm going to iron my interfacing onto it. Now this interfacing, the ironing side is here. It's a little scrunchier, has more texture. So I'm going to center it. We will have some space around it. Let's iron that down. The interfacing is ironed on. I'm going to make a little sandwich for just a moment with our top fabric here. I'm going to fold all of that over. And what I need to do is I need to round off this section here. So I've just grabbed a paper cup. You can use a glass or whatever. And I'm going to mark that as a rounded corner there. And then I'm going to cut all through all those fabrics. Okay, I've made that cut. Now I'm going to disassemble my little sandwich. We have our outside fabric. We're going to kind of sandwich them the other way. We want the right side facing up, right side facing down like this. We're going to take it to the machine. We're going to stitch all around. We're going to leave a little space open for turning on one of the sides. Okay, I've gone ahead and stitched all the way around. I do have a little open space here for turning. So I'm going to go ahead and clip the corners and then I'm going to turn. It's a little wrinkly. I'm going to go ahead and press it. I'm also going to press this seam closed. I'm not going to stitch it yet, but I'm going to fold it over and press that closed. All right, I'm going to take a top stitch all the way around, being sure to catch the open space. All right, we've done our very narrow stitch. Now we're going to fold it and make it into a case. Okay, we've already sewn this. We want to leave it open. We'll leave that alone. We're going to stitch here to here, about 1/4 inch from our last stitch. Super quick, super easy case for glasses.